So what can I do for you, young sir? What are you looking for today?
I want something that I've never seen before. I want something that nobody's ever seen before.
I don't want money for it. I only require that you promise to take great care of it.
Whoa.
An incredible discovery.
What is that thing?
It's a dinosaur. It's so cute. What's his name? His name is Albert.
You need to tell your mom and dad.
No way. They wouldn't understand. Albert chose me. He's my responsibility.
Adventure.
I've never really explained to anyone what I'm doing in my lab. It's top secret. What I'm looking for is dinosaur DNA. You need to get your friend back, kid. I know where they're taking him. Come on.
Some bonds.
I won't let you down, Albert.
You belong to me. And with your help, I shall make many.
No reason to be scared of a bum kid and his pet.
The Adventures of Jurassic Pet.
Don't eat my homework.